Welcome friends, today we will discuss how you can make this kind of trending digital marketing video templates using ChatGPT and Canva AI. So let's start. So first of all, we have to go to ChatGPT. There we need to draft the prompt for the Canva AI. So like for this particular example, I am writing a basic prompt to generate the actual prompt for the Canva AI. So here we go, like make a prompt for making an AI generated image using Canva AI for digital marketing purpose. This is for a Chinese food brand. Here I want to show one cute and fluffy panda is making hot and delicious Chinese noodle soup in an Indian restaurant as chef, and nearby people are cheering him for that. You have to describe all these things to ChatGPT so that it can make the proper prompt for your design, right? So you have to feed it properly. So next command will be the prompt for that should be within 200 words, including the cinematic style direction, imaginative storytelling, and visual effects. So for these parts, you can rely on ChatGPT. You don't have to give everything in prompt uh, by yourself. Let ChatGPT do it for you. So next is make a suitable social media post. Keep the visuals humorous and professional. So after this prompt, ChatGPT will create the prompt for your Canva AI design. So let's copy this and go to Canva AI. So here I have already pasted this prompt. You can see. So after that we have generated this one. This cute little panda is making this kind of uh, noodle making. So after this, what you have to do, you go to templates and then search for professional thumbnail. This is just for reference. You can use any kind of already available templates for your design. You don't have to do everything from scratch, right? So just copy and paste your design here and then just resize it, and you just add the fonts, you just edit the fonts. Already everything, this text are already available in this template. You just need to edit it as per your business requirement. For particular this example, I am just adding like want to try authentic Chinese food. So make sure these fonts will be visible enough and large enough, because it will grab the major audience, right? So this kind of template you can use for your digital marketing in social media, and also you can make this kind of templates and sell it in Canva and also many other online your websites. So here I'm just adding provision for your logo and just your website. Okay. So you can put your website name here, and it will be editable. So after that, to make it more trendy, you can add one order now button on it so that everyone can understand what you are trying to uh, portray using this template. So after that, the next part is my favorite one is the animation. There are many cool animation effects are available in Canva. So you can use it to make it more interactive and interesting. So for this fonts, for this text, I am preferring majorly pan animation, and for this image, generally breathe animation is preferred. So your template is ready to get viral in social media. And thank you so much, friends, for watching till end. Your support is very important. Please do subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share my video. Thank you so much, friends.